Good day, everybody, my students and my subscribers out there. Welcome once again to Flicker Brains. In this channel, I share strategies on how to grow your YouTube account and how to increase either your YouTube AdSense revenue or your website AdSense revenue. Okay, so let me quickly sign into my Google AdSense account. So I'm going to show you guys what we have done so far on this account this month. So right on the screen, you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard. And from the dashboard, you can tell we have started making some amount of money on this account this month. And from here, you can see the balance. That was the last month's work. You can see what we made on this account last month. This is a detailed strategy. This is arbitrage and loading mixed together. But the traffic coming in on this site is more of arbitrage and less of loading. Loading is just to increase the earnings faster. Okay. So guys, if you have a account that has organic traffic, this month I've opened partnership slots. If you have an account that has organic traffic, more than 1,000 organic traffic coming in daily, I would like you to bring the account for partnership so that I'll work on the account and we'll both share revenue. Now mind you, make sure that account you're bringing has daily traffic of more than 1,000 page views. Okay, let it be coming in. So that I can work with that. Let me reload this. And secondly, if you're interested in learning this method, this is a detailed strategy. You can see the link on the description box. You can actually click on that link to reach out to me. Most importantly, I'm also looking for accounts that has more of organic traffic, so we can both share money together. You understand? I need an account that has more than 1,000 organic traffic. If you have that, you can bring in. So we'll partnership and work on that account. If you're also interested in learning the strategy, you can check out on the link on the description box. You can reach out to me for more strategies and I'll teach you how this works. So for those of you that are also saying loading is not working, loading is no longer working, is because you're not making use of the right strategy. Loading is still effective for those of you that know what you're doing. So if you have a strategy that is not working and you want to upgrade your knowledge, you can also check out the description box below. You will see my contact info there. Okay, so let me log into my account. So for those of you that are new on this channel, let me show you guys on this page. I teach how to grow your YouTube account. I also share some tips on how to make use of AI to make money, and also teach you how to make money with your Google AdSense account and also your YouTube account. So very soon I'll be dropping video about YouTube arbitrage. There are a lot of ways to make money with YouTube these days. Okay, so just subscribe here and wait for the video. See you in the next video.